Good morning, all. We are in Woodridge, New York. It's a quiet road. This is no problem here with parking. So we've been contacted to remove one 550-gallon underground tank. It's an old dormant tank, hasn't been used in a while. Here's our access, our situation. Got a couple of challenges here. First off, we're going to get the metal detector just to see how it lies. Because we have that vent pipe, and that smaller one is also a vent pipe, which is a little unusual, and that homeowner doesn't know what it is. That possibly is where the return and suction lines come in. So this tank, we just want to get an indication on where it lies, because if it's 11 feet, we got to figure out where we're going to sit with the machine. If I sit on this asphalt anywhere in here, I can't spin the machine. I can't turn it. So the 10 tons that I have to take out, I've got to stockpile somewhere. Also getting the dirt in. That opening is not big enough for my dump truck. So I've got to figure that out. I can't do anything till I determine the size of this vessel and exactly how it lies. Before he even puts the metal detector in, I'm going to say it starts right about here and it ends right here. That's my guess. So I think it's a 1,000-gallon tank. So Craig's got the metal detector. So the end of the tank starts there. Look at that. It goes exactly where the old man said it went. So we do have a 1,000-gallon tank. It's a little bit over 11 feet. And Craig is showing you now it's got the 4-foot diameter. So we'll make a perfect demo saw cut right now to try to minimize his asphalt repair. And we're still going to figure out how to sit or where to sit. I mean, I don't know.
Yep, right where you stand.
You want to sit here and then cast the overburden over there? What a cleanup that's going to be.
Unless it's really good. We're going to stand a lot right here. The way that this pinged, it's not deep at all. So we might be able to.
Okay. All right. Well, we're going to set up the time lapse on this one. Enjoy the show. bit of groundwater purging back in. We're gonna actually have to cut this tank in half in the void because I can't swing to get the whole thing out. So we're in tight quarters today. Okay, Mikey's going inside to clean that now. I don't know if it makes sense to anybody here, but I can't back up. I've got no room to back up. So when I pull that 11-foot tank out, I can't swing to set it out of the way to get it ready for inspection, get it out of the way so I can then backfill. So after Mikey cleans it, we're gonna have to jump inside, cut it in two, and then I'll have to try to just see if I have enough room to swing the boom to get half of it out at a time. So a little tight quarters here. How's everybody feeling today? Good?
Great, man.
And Mikey's in the tank again as always. Alright. Okay, so we are finished here. That's where the overburden was. Everything looks good. This is compacted in lifts. We put an item crushed concrete on that. That's going to sink about 4 inches after about 5 or 6 rainstorms. We put the gate back. It's working fine. We removed all the lines here. The copper. We've got that patched. It's a nice firm base. Open that up, Mike. And the gates. And everything is good. So there you have it, folks. Another fine job. Tank Masters Environmental.